Massachusetts family demands answers after ICE agents' aggressive arrest of asylum seeker. A Massachusetts family is embroiled in a heated dispute with U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE following a violent and seemingly erroneous arrest. On Monday, agents shattered the window of their car with a sledgehammer and detained Juan Francisco Mendez, leaving the family reeling and demanding immediate answers. Their lawyer contends that ICE targeted the wrong person. The incident has sparked outrage and raised serious questions about ICE's operating procedures and the potential for egregious errors within the system. The family's attorney argues that the aggressive tactics employed were wholly unwarranted, especially considering Mendez's status as an asylum applicant. Mendez, who was in the process of applying for derivative asylum, was not the intended target, according to his legal representation. Derivative asylum allows individuals to obtain asylum if a family member has already been granted the protection. In this case, Mendez's wife and 9-year-old son have already received asylum status, fearing persecution if forced to return to their native Guatemala. The lawyer contends that ICE agents mistook Mendez for another individual, highlighting a concerning lack of due diligence and precision in their actions. This claim casts a shadow on the agency's practices, suggesting a potential for wrongful arrests based on faulty identification and a disregard for proper procedure. The harrowing experience began when ICE agents surrounded the family's vehicle. Without warning, they shattered the car window with a large hammer, creating a terrifying scene for the 9-year-old child who witnessed the violent intrusion. The forceful entry into the vehicle immediately escalated the situation, creating an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty for the family. The family's attorney is now demanding a full investigation into the incident, calling for accountability for the excessive force used and the seemingly mistaken identity. They are emphasizing the traumatic impact on the family, particularly the child, who was exposed to unwarranted violence and fear. The lawyer is demanding a transparent and thorough review of ICE's actions, seeking explanations for the errors in identification and justification for the disproportionate use of force. The incident underscores the deep-seated concerns surrounding ICE's enforcement actions and the potential for human rights violations. It raises questions about the training and oversight of ICE agents and their adherence to established protocols. The family's ordeal serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities faced by asylum seekers navigating a complex and often unforgiving immigration system. The demand for answers is not merely a plea for justice for the family, but a call for greater accountability and transparency within ICE operations. This case highlights the urgent need for reform to prevent similar incidents from happening again. The family seeks not just an apology, but a commitment to preventing such aggressive and potentially unlawful actions from ever being repeated.